Hey, welcome back, Van. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to season this. This thing's already pre-seasoned. I just got it at Walmart. Tell you a little story. We're on the quarantine lockdown right now, or whatever you want to call it, lockdown, whatever it is. So this thing's already pre-seasoned, but I'm using it for my first time. So I cleaned it over there on the. Now I want to put some oil on it. And I'm going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. When you put this on here, you just want to rub all that oil in there so there's no oil left. I grew up on mom cooking on cast iron, and so I've seen how she's done it over the years. There's some myths behind it. The myth is that, see that black that's already come off? That's showing that it's seasoned. See, it's already seasoned. But I just want to clean it real good. And so the myths are that mom would say that you can get iron from cooking on iron back into your body, and I believe that. But there's some people that says you can't. I believe you can. There's something for you to look up. Vitamin B deficiency. Comes from buying and eating all that hydroponic vegetables and stuff from the stores. You don't have the dirt in there. The dirt's where you get that vitamin B12 from. I believe it's vitamin B12. It's one of the vitamin Bs. So when you get away from that, just like now, people get away from cooking on cast iron. They do more eating out than anything. You start losing your iron. Like a lot of people is iron deficient. So we're just going to rub this in here till it's kind of like buffed. When you hear seasoned, people think that you're talking about putting salt, pepper, whatever on it, but it's kind of like seasoned hardwood. It's just dried out. It's perfect for cooking or making a fire in a fireplace, seasoned firewood. So this right here is seasoned. It's not got any seasoning on it. I've seen people use like onions and stuff to season one of these. You don't do all of that. We're going to put this in here at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. All right. That sucker's going to be hot coming out too. I've got these gloves here that was sent to me by Cooking with a Little Spice, and I'll leave a link to her YouTube channel in the video description down below. Oh yeah. Let that cool down just a little bit. These gloves are great. I use them out there on the grill a lot, and they're great. Look at that, 400 degrees. Nothing. So we'll let that cool down for a minute. Let's put another layer of oil on this thing. Get it in there. Get it on everything. Around the edges, around the handle. Oops. A little too much there. Rub this in real good. If you see it beading up like that, it's too much. You don't need that much on it. So we're going to wipe this down real good all over it. And we'll come back and get that excess off. We don't want it bubbled up. We want it kind of like dry to the touch. So this thing, it's already seasoned. You don't really have to re-season it. I just want to make sure that I'm off to a good start with this. Get it nice and clean before I use it for the first time, because that's what I've been doing since the quarantine, is cooking outside. And I've been wanting a griddle to cook outside, and I haven't had one, so I went and got this one. There we go. I'm gonna stick this back in the oven for another 30 minutes at 400 degrees and we'll be golden. All right, I just took it out for the last time. I let it go through 2 times in the oven at 400 degrees. Look at it shine, boy. I'm not gonna touch it because it's 400 degrees. But I want to thank y'all for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a good one now. Stay safe and you come back. Yeah.